Hi, my name is Mohammed Shazil and I am from grade 7. Now we are learning Python programming language based projects. We learned the theoretical side of Python and now we are doing the practical side of Python and using different libraries such as Pygame and Turtle. We developed small animations and game.
Hi, I am Shiva from grade 7. In the coming classes, we will learn about the interesting project. From the robotics AI web development, I am very happy and excited for this project for the innovative technology.
Hi, I am Ramla Barros. I am handling computer science at Floreat International Senior Secondary School. We introduced the CyberSquare project suite this year alongside a successful school level digital fest. And we are thrilled with the outcome, which exceeded our expectations. The kids are showing a very high level of interest in learning the technologies. And we are happy to contribute the knowledge to the students, which will definitely help them in their future.
Hi, my name is Vaishak. I'm handling a CS project suite in Floreat International Senior Secondary School. As ma'am mentioned before, we introduced CS project suite this year, and the response from the students is especially from the lower sessions are really making us very happy, and it will definitely help them in their future to participate in different kinds of competitions, expos, exhibitions, in national and international level, which definitely help them there in the future. And like the parents, we are also dreaming about their bright future. Thank you.